Hello and welcome to IGT and Tech College. I am Mr. Seth. This is Itel A60S. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to repair, how to fix broken screen, how to replace it with new one. So this method can work for every phone type. Just what you need is to watch video till the end. If it's your first time to reach here, make sure you click on subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified when a video uploaded. Let's go step by step. Open here quickly. Then remove this plastic. Remove this on a subboard. Disconnect this fiber and disconnect that subboard. Disconnect this fiber for motherboard, network, everything disconnect. Open here. Remove this motherboard. We're gonna remove motherboard. Disconnect motherboard from flame, that's flame. Do it careful. Everything, do it careful. Don't harm any device, any items on motherboard. So next we're gonna disconnect battery. We're gonna remove battery from this frame. So watch step by step. Don't skip any even second. Just watch till end. I'm gonna using petrol. This petrol will help us to remove this battery. In this video, we only use hot air gun only. So don't worry about tools. Only this tool will work for us. Do it careful. Don't harm battery. Don't harm battery. Everything you have to do it careful. Careful. Remove battery. Yeah, disconnected well. So next we're gonna disconnect screen LCD. We're gonna disconnect it using only hot gun, as I told you, SMD station only. So let's start. Yes. If you don't have main tools, don't worry, just use this SMD station. Will work for you as it works for me. Just watch video till end. Do it careful. As you see, we are removing screen or display. Wow, removed successful. Remove this fiber. So that is all spare parts of device. Any device have this spare parts. That's why I told you that this method will work for different mobile phones. So don't throw this immediately, because you must read here to find phone model so that you may buy matching screen or display. So get new one to replace this old broken. As you see here, is very broken, so we need new one here. This is new one. Be careful, watch everything. Here is matching, so that's why we first need to test. Let us first test. You always test before. Connect everything, test if the screen is okay, so that it may work perfect. Connect and check. Yeah, I bet you don't have enough power, but I'm very sure that this screen is tested, is matching well. So after testing, we can continue process. Let us continue process. Then here we need glue this to, but first watch here. We're gonna clean everything here. Clean. We're gonna clean. Clean well. This is a must step. Don't skip to clean. Just clean. That is step. Don't skip it. If you skip this step, that screen will blocken also. Will be blocked. So don't skip this step. You must clean here very well. Remove any old glue so that you may put new glue. Then see here, I don't know which name can I say to these items. It's just small items. Don't throw it. Instead, keep it. Is necessary. Don't forget it. Then, before you put a new screen, a new LCD complete, we must put this stuff. If you know the name of this stuff, you can tell us in the comment. I don't know the name of it, but it's necessary to put it there. Then we're gonna use this screw type. Don't use this screw. Be careful. Just use this screw. So we're gonna first put that small tip, but I don't know the name. You're gonna remind me in the comment section. So use this screw. Do everything careful. For more information about this tech, you can visit our website www.igttechcollege.com. Then, before we insert that new screen or LCD complete, we're gonna put this stuff. I told you I don't know a little name of this stuff, but you can tell us in the comment section. So let us put this stuff. Put it where? Yeah. Then next you're gonna put that new screen display. For this step, be careful. Don't forget to put to output that this small one. That's fiber. That's the small fiber is for subboard. If you forgot to put it there, it will harm this screen. This is how. Don't force anything here. If you force, you will block it. So don't make any mistake in these steps. So watch careful. If you don't have these bands, you can even put another phone up it, but do it careful. Oh, yeah, put it. You can wait for 1 day. 1 day is enough. 1 day is enough. But if is for emergency, okay, you can do it and give it to customer after 3 hours. It's okay. But be careful for everything. Then after this, we're gonna test. Let me test. we gonna test it to see a result after 3 hours or 1 day. Our battery don't have enough power, but let me get maybe I will get a new one, another battery to test. Let's first watch this. Make sure you click on subscribe button, like and comment and share. Our YouTube channel is IGT and Tech College. Even website is www.igttechcollege. We're gonna test. We're gonna test everything. Here we need the charging system, charging port. Latest power problem, and that is subboard must have a charging port. So maybe we're gonna take another battery for testing purposes. This another battery, so let us test with new battery. This one, let me see if it's matching well. Yeah, wow, top cell. As I told you, our device is Itel A60S, but this method will work for different mobile phones. Any mobile phone, this method will work for you. As you see, I don't know password for this client, but as you see, screen is touching well. See, everything is working normal. So this is how to change broken screen LCD complete and replace it with a new one. If you like this video, tell us in a comment, share to your friend, and wait for next video. We shall teach you many things in mobile phone repairing in IT. Thank you.